Good morning children, welcome to our social session of 5th class. In this lesson we have to discuss about that weather, climate and seasons. In this lesson we have to discuss about that climate, seasons and weather. This is before lesson only we have to completed our lesson. What is the lesson name? Rivers and means of livelihood. In this lesson we have to discuss about that climate. Now weather. What is that weather? In India as a huge country, when some parts of country experience hot weather, some parts experience cold weather. For examples, Daras in Jammu and Kashmir, one of the coldest place in India. This is the coldest place. Which one in the Jammu Kashmir? Dara. And where areas parts of Andhra Pradesh is and Telangana experience moderate temperature throughout the year. These are that. In this weather seasons, we have to wear different kinds of climate. In our country have so many different kinds of weather conditions. Some part have very hot, and that some parts have very cold. Some part have humidity, some parts have cloudy. These are the different kinds of weather will be appearance. In that different types of clothes in the we have to wear in the different kinds of seasons. For example, winter season we have to use it for avoiding too cold woolen clothes. And in summer we have to use the cotton clothes. In rainy season we have to protect ourselves from the rain. We use the raincoats, umbrellas, like the types of materials, different kinds of clothes we have to arrange to ourselves. Now in this lesson we have to learn about that weather. That weather is the atmosphere condition of a place where over a short period of time known as weather. What is that? That the atmospheric condition of a place over a short period of the time is known as weather. These are the definition of the weather. What? The atmospheric condition of a place over a short period of time, it is known as atmosphere. Atmosphere, weather, and next one atmosphere, the blanket of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. ఎక్కడైతే ఆ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఎయిర్ ఉంటుందో ఆ వాతావరణంలో ఆ ఉండేదాన్ని అట్మాస్ఫియర్ అంటాం. That weather is of a place may be changed daily. It is changed daily. One day is very sunny, very hot. The next day will be very cloudy. Now we have to learn about that atmosphere. The blanket of air surrounded the earth is called atmosphere. It is held around the earth due to the earth's gravity. And the atmosphere is made up of various gases and water vapors and dust particles. How it is made up of? The atmosphere is made up of dust particles and different parts of gases and water vapors. It is made up of atmosphere. The two main gases are present in the atmosphere. Which one? The two main gases. Which gases will appear in the atmosphere? Nitrogen and oxygen. Which one we are taking into air? Oxygen. In the atmosphere, the both two air will be appears, that nitrogen, oxygen. That about that nitrogen, how much is there? How much percentage is there? 78%. The oxygen level in the atmosphere, 21% is appeared. That atmosphere held is around the earth due to the earth's gravity. In the earth gravity is the two main gases are present. That is nitrogen. It is held at 78% in the atmosphere. And the next gases will appear in the oxygen. That is that atmosphere is appearance 21%. These are the appearance in the atmosphere. The remaining 1% of the atmosphere is made up of gas like carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium and ozone. Up to here 100% not, because of 99% only completed. Remaining 1% filled with that one of the gas like carbon dioxide, hydrogen or helium. Any one gas filled with the atmosphere. And that ozone absorbs the harmful ultraviolet radiation of the sun. The ozone layer absorbs the harmful rays from the sun, that is called, the rays are called ultraviolet rays. The atmosphere extends up to 1600 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Above the Earth's surface, how much it is their appearance atmosphere? That is 1600 kilometers will appearance. Extend up to there will be their atmosphere. That atmosphere is the blanket of air that surrounded by the Earth is called atmosphere. It helps that around the Earth due to the Earth's gravity. It is the two main gases in the presence in the atmosphere. That is that nitrogen is 78% and the oxygen is the 21%, and remaining 1% oxygen or remaining 1% gases will be like carbon dioxide or helium or hydrogen will appearance. That main in that layers in that, and ozone layer also there in the atmosphere, that it is absorb the harmful rays from the sun, that is the rays are called ultraviolet rays, and that atmosphere will appearance up to Earth's surface 1600 kilometers. This is learn about that atmosphere. Just I will show to the one picture to you. See, observe the picture. This is the Earth atmosphere. The aeroplanes will fly in the sky. This atmosphere, that is ozone sphere, and clouds will be appear. This is the Earth surface. Up to 1600 kilometers will appear the atmosphere. In this layer only the aeroplanes can fly in the sky. Clouds appears. And next we have to go to the features of weather. That is the features of weather. What is that? It describes an area is dry, wet, sunny and stormy, cloudy. Which one the weather is describes. And that it tells about the daily temperature and extent the rainfall. That in the weather is used, the word weather is describe the amount of hotness and coldness in the air over a short period of time. The weather is describes that the amount of hotness or coolness in the air and in a short time, that is the called weather. Weather is describes if an area is dry, wet, stormy, cloudy or sunny. Weather also tells about that the daily temperature and extent rainfall that a particular area experience at the time. These are the features of the weather. I will show that again this picture. See, look here. This is the features of a weather. We use the word weather describe the amount of hotness or coolness in the air over a short period. It is called weather. Weather is describes that it is wet, dry, stormy, cloudy. It is describes. And it also tells about the daily temperatures in a particular area. And next one is that it is word body is also there. Just you see, I will show. See is there. These are the meanings. Word body. That gravity, a force on the earth that pulls object towards on the ground. Suppose gravity means మనం ఒకటి ఏదైనా పైనకి వేస్తే స్కై పైనకి వేస్తే మళ్ళీ కిందికి పడుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ గ్రావిటేషనల్ పవర్. గ్రావిటేషనల్ అంటే కిందికి గురుత్వాకర్షణ శక్తి. నెక్స్ట్ అల్ట్రా వయలెట్ రేడియేషన్స్, దట్ ఈస్ హార్మ్ఫుల్ రేస్ ఆఫ్ ద సన్ దట్ కెన్ డ్యామేజ్ అవర్ ఐస్ అండ్ స్కిన్. దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ అల్ట్రా వయలెట్ రేడియేషన్స్. It is avoid to ozone layer. It is not అవాయిడ్ టు ద ఓజోన్ లేయర్. ఓజోన్ లేయర్ మనల్ని కాపాడుతుంది, ఎందుకంటే ఈ అల్ట్రా వైలెట్ కిరణాలు భూమి పైన పడకుండా చూస్తుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అలౌడ్ టు ఎంటర్ ద ఎర్త్ సర్ఫేస్. దట్స్ ఓన్లీ ఓజోన్ లేయర్ విల్ protect the ozone layer protect the our health conditions about the ultraviolet rays. Now next we have to elements of the weather I will show. This is the elements of weather. These are some elements in influence of weather of a place. That is that wind speed, wind direction, sunshine, rain and humidity. This is the elements of a weathers. What is that? Wind speed, how much speeds wind will come. Wind direction, which direction? We have to 4 directions, north, east, west, south. No, the wind which direction will come, this is the observe. And sunshine and rain and humidity, these are the main elements of weathers. What are that? These are the some weather elements are there. Up to here we have to discuss about the weather lesson, and one is that iConnect is there. Just page number 39 I will show to you. This is that iConnect give examples of following. 2 summer clothes, you should write 2 names of summer clothes. And second one, 2 winter clothes, you should write the 2 winter clothes. And you should observe the define the atmosphere and understand the weather also. In this climate, how it is there today, you should observe the 2 days and note down the weather conditions. Whether it is cloudy or windy or cold or cloudy, you should observe the 2 days and you should note down the weather condition. Thank you. Up to here we have to finish this session. Next session we have to go to the another topic. Thank you, Nana.